na chuan blood relation main exam level ami tur pathum kan zir dona khatia anga ama prelim atana kan so anga direct pop khani to don lowa chuanin main level ka en pui atang cheu hianin mo in lo ti tur pakhat chu hetiang ang chi level hi in lo le chok ngai lo mo in la chok tam lo in la comfortable vak lo ani chuan tlema ul deuh hlek te po in chok anga chuan a har deuh hlek ang chi a code omang chi te kha symbol ron omang chi te mo hetiang chi ho kha main level ang chi ho kha I tikhan nangmani in up ve shet anga achan chu kan soi to ang khan class kan zir tir cheu hi chu apoi mo zual le guide na tur ang cheu ala ni a exam nan ala tok lo tu ka mo enge guide tan cheu kan ron da the equation tam the ang ber chu ron da tum mai la khami cheu kha in chok tur ti na ni lawa cho tur dang in lo zong ve chi na nga I question hi topic khat zela question za item lo question za chu in pek ngai na omlo ni ki ma ni tam pon mo question za item lo kha in lo chok so in lo tum cheu don nya o hetiang hi coded blood relation sang chi anya har chuang lo mo plus in father ron soya multiply in sister soya dollar in wife soya percentage in mother soya divide in son soya kaka in chona khanin plus to father multiply to sister ang chi khan raf te nemo jak zeu ta ola sen chu a le b han chiar tel pal hian zia swal pala ol lu to kamo ming anga question a miron pek lawa pqrs ang chi vela miron pek pe chuanin le abc anga ta miron pek le pe chuan ti swal pala ol lu to ka chuanin kan question tur chu hi lo ni ta ni which among the given expressions indicate that M is the daughter of D? M is the daughter of D ti hi eng option a hian nge dikang M is the daughter of D ti eng option a hian nge kan zia chuang M le D in kar ba kha chu em angai chuang lo mo chuang kan soi nga long o option A a chuan D plus T into M hilo jota ila D plus T kan ti chuan D is the father of T draw D is the father of T chu kan jak thiam ve kanga D is the father of T and T is the sister of M T is the sister of M Hemizong hi D le M in karak information kan nei chu nia chun heta hian M is the daughter of D ani theyem M is the daughter of D M hi D fapa nge fanu kan shilawa chuwang chuan daughter ron ti chat theilo chuwangin option A chu adik theilo kan she thiamem D le M in karami D le M kha kan jak chuaka chuan M hi a gender kan shelo chuwang chuan D is the daughter of M kan ti ngal theilo ani chu option A chu kan bu lo option B a D plus T D plus M into T D is the father of M draw D is the father of M kan zia kanga chuan heti hi chuan ala chiang lawa M chu afa chu ni nge mai di tan chuan ma se mei chiang mi pala sha lawa next a chia khan M into D chu M is the sister of T M is the sister of T ron ti chia ta a M kha mei chia ti ron soi chianga chuwang chuan M is the daughter of D ti chu adik ngala option D hi kan answer option B kan answer ani ngalang chiang em number 7 kan ngalang o ni chuan which among the following options is true if the expression is definitely true hi tuna I plus T percentage J into L divided by K ti hi anjo chuak te injo chuakang I plus D ni chuan I is the father. I is the father of D dro. D percentage J. J is the mother of. D is the mother of J. D is the mother of J. J into L. J is the sister of L. J is the sister of L. So on L divided by K. L is the son of K. L is the son of K. So on hemi te hi T le K te hi alpha te J le L anya. So on he hi nupa. Nupa ani ti karon lang hala. So on in option A jang kan check nga L is the daughter of T. L to daughter ni lau son anya draw ko square box a omveka A to kan answer ni thailava. K is the son-in-law of I. K is the son-in-law of I. Adik son-in-law. Adik ngal may. Hey, K is the son-in-law of I. Afan pasalanya. Option B answer. Dikhan het yang chi a hi chuanin hemi statement ron pe ka hi kan ziak chuak te ka nga pakhat bak zia ngai lova. Chuan adik berakha kan en mil mai anga mo. Next which among the following expressions is true if y is the son of x is definitely false? Emi omzia chu kan option te zinga hian enghinge dikang atia ma se y is the son of x ti kha a false turani y is the son of x ti kha kan hmuchhuak turani lo tina y is the son of x ti kan hmuchhuak turani lo ilo en chinta ulamo kan han draw nga atopa y is the son of x ti kan hmuchhuak chuan kha kan answer turani lo ti na ni chu chuan heta hal en chinta lo y le x hi y divided by x chu y is the son draw y is the son of x ania option A hi chu kan bu lo nga kan job y po angai lo chuan y divided by x ho ania he po achunga mi ang che in y is the son of x ti kha ahma mi zong jo po ngai lovin kan eliminate ngal the y is the son of x ti hi atopa chuak thowa chuan y le x in kara helaya hi chuan kan chiang lo ta ni he kan joang ma se step by step jo dang ka ron da lova in jo thian ve ka ring x plus l x is the father of l chi khan c option c khan jo teule in muchwakem x is the father of l zero l is the sister of t is the sister of y is the son of w y is the son of w nya chuan hetai chuan x is the son of y is the son of x alani tho eng angpon jo ilawin hlat deuh ma se atopa x y is the son of x kan hu chua le thowa chuwang chuan kan option ni theilo d kan ziak liang d chu heti han ron om don tani w is the wife of x draw x is the father of l x is the father of l l is the father of y and y is the father of x he ti turani he ti tur kasiam diklo so hita l aniam w is the w per option e kalau en wangani kha $x w is the wife of x draw x is the father of l is the father of y and y is the father of t dik sialom option e kalau ena option d chuan x is y is the son of x ani to lo ani lo lai taka kan du lai chu nia mo ani lo na lai taka kha kan khan tur zok chu nia chuan kan option tur chu option d kan chet ya mem kha kha a le b te chu y is the son of x ti kha kan mu nga le wangi kan jo boy ngai le wa c le d te kan chet chiang le wa c kan jo phota y is the son of x kan mu chhuak thawa d kan jo le a y is the son of x ni to lo x tan chuan y chu tu pa de ni to mo kha ta kha kan answer kan zon do ber chu lo ni ta e chu jo boy ngai to lo d kan mu chhuak to wangin number 9 na what should come in place of the question mark? Establish that T is the sister-in-law of Q in the expression. R percentage T into P kiziyakula. R percentage T needs one. Hey, a question at one more. Hello question mark aya hianin kan option ami hi enge kanda huna khan T is a sister-in-law of Q aron ni thei na turin eng symbol hinge kanda aron dita a R percentage T kanjaka tro R is the mother of T kanjaka T is the sister of P tro T is the sister of P nia P le Q in kara enge thleng kan shilau Q kha kanjak photanga chuan T is the sister-in-law of Q ni thei tur chuan T is the sister-in-law of Q ni thei tur chuan Q hian nupui emo pasal anei angai tiro nupui emo pasal anei angai a chu P hi lo ni don ta ni nupui emo pasal anei angai amma ero chu P is the husband of Q ti husband ti option pakhat ma option bilaka question a khanin husband symbol pakhat ma kan hmulawa chuwangin wife bak symbol engma om theilawa chuwang chuan P le Q ti hi nupa kan ni tiranga Q hi a wife P is the wife of Q mo P is the wife of Q ani don chuan enge wife kha dollar achiang em ti khan so ino na nga em khalai kha in ngai tua na in sorbing ve det chu ngai ni kha o P kha o Q kha sister T kha sister in law ni thei tur chuan ama pasala u naw nu emo a u naw pa nu pui ang chi emo u naw nu pasalang chi emo khatyang khangai ta masi ama jon pasala nei ang chi kha engma aron inziak chuang lawa P le Q khi letling ami letling love P le Q hi mo tuna P thleng kan ziak to ta tiro ti hian T is achunga hamin lo thlia thina Q hi father no Q is the father of V Q is the father of V
when Mr. Khan become wife of Q ni
hi wife of Q ni thei cha da do na mo ti khan
dollar san da Q kha pasal
Q hi pasal ni jok ta se mo
pasal ni zo tur o chan to Q kha father of V khan del boxla
ma se father sign kha kan nei si lawa plus V hi chu om lo tur ani
o I P le Q in kara khan dollar zo our P is the wife of Q to John Q kami pa P kha a wife John de cha lo
P hi wife anyang atro o ka jak let ling ani hi ki ma hang ka jak let ling ani hi P is the wife of Q boy thak tiang in fix sa siam fik ki ngai siam mo P is the wife of Q ania chuan Q kha Q is the father hemi Q is the father ang kha chu angai to chuang la hemi inkar mi kha kan sha tangai ta chuan hei hi chu kalau siam thang P is the wife of Q ni ring alom tu ro dollar chuan answer chu dollar Number 10 kan la nei what should come in place of the question mar khatyang chi thau kha ni le J is the brother of T. T mu chwa kan du ta J divided by P chu J is the son of P. J is the son of P dika. P is the mother of H. Draw P is the mother of H. Chuan H le T in kara inge kan shedua. H le T in kara inge kan shedua tinge H aron bial le ngal ringot eta po hen. J is the brother of T. J le T te hi now intinge kan ni tirang hemi sign hi nge kan manang H le T in kara nge kan thlen tir don H is the dash of T
brother or sister
brother or sister ani ngai ta ma se brother sign kha engma kan nei lawa tiro ta hian question han brother pakhat na soi lawa sister chu kan nei H is the sister of T hi a circle hi ron omlo turani hi tun kapo PowerPoint siam hi mo buai thak lut tukai shem ti omlo tur hi lo omle nu china chuan H is the sister of T sister ani chuan into tiro H into T ti kan zia che kan H is the sister of T nyanga H le J te chu una wan ni to sa chuan kan answer tu chu sister x multiply kha